every 20 minutes. It's your statewide Alabama weathercast.
A beautiful day is in progress across Alabama on this September Saturday. Looking at the visible satellite loop across the state, you can see some cloudiness across the eastern part of the state at this hour. Not really obscuring the sky, lots of blue skies in effect. Watching cumulus clouds here over western North Carolina, northeastern Georgia, seeing whether they can develop some showers that could work their way into northeastern parts of Alabama this afternoon. But I kind of doubt that. Another favorite area here, southwest Alabama, southeastern Mississippi as we go through the day. Our user-generated content, another one of our favorite parts of the Alabama Weather Network app. And thanks to Tammy Henry submitting some beautiful photographs from Hale County yesterday down around Greensboro. Tammy, thank you for these beautiful fall images of a pond here. Really, I guess we're still really in late summer, meteorological fall though. But starting to look a little fallish with the dry conditions that we have over western Alabama. Some Skywatcher reports from early this morning. Big Bell, Black Creek in Etowah County, 57. Lots of 50s on the board this morning. Cooper Richards in Rock Creek reported 58. Nate Sullivan at Delta in Clay County had 59. Jordan Housen in Chelsea checked in at 59. And Ronald Hughes in Coker reported 61 degrees. What we're watching, high pressure. Has continued to dominate. It's a big ridge to our west, sinking air, dry flow out of the north, but an upper low is trying to wobble in from the east. That may spell the end of the ridge late in the week, and hopefully this pattern change could lead to some rain chances for Alabama finally. Here's a look at Florence in North Alabama. UNA will be playing later this afternoon, I think this evening up there, but beautiful weather in the northwest part of the state. Obviously, our conditions are not updating exactly perfectly. We'll go in and check that. You see those clouds on the Mount Cheaha Skycam. I wanted to specifically show this camera to indicate that a little bit of cloudiness that is popping up over East Alabama, but the tree canopy just beautiful there. We're showing off our new Hoover Skycam, looking back to the east and northeast. From this location on top of the Galleria Tower south of Birmingham there in the city of Hoover. And looking back at a beautiful scene over the bay, Spanish Fort, back toward the city of Mobile, back from Baldwin County. And Gulf Shores, can't leave it out, the beautiful image here along the beaches of Alabama on this Saturday. The Futurecast carries you into the afternoon. Showing almost no shower activity. Got fairly dry, stable air sinking with the high pressure in the area. Hard to find a shower at all across the state, and that's what we think will happen. It looks like most of the showers will be to the southwest in southeastern Mississippi. Just partly cloudy skies as we go through the day. High temperatures topping out upper 80s to lower 90s through the entire area. Temperatures falling back into the 70s this evening. Most everyone will be in the 60s overnight. Might see a 70-degree reading in Mobile and Baldwin County, but most everybody else in the lower 60s, maybe a few upper 50s up north tonight. As we go into your the forecast for UAB and Akron tonight at Protective Stadium here in Birmingham, expect beautiful conditions, partly cloudy to fair skies. Temperatures that kick off starting off at 83, falling back into the 70s during the game. There's that ridge that I was talking about. By Monday, it's going to begin to break apart. Here's that wobbly upper low. We've got this bit of a trough off the east coast. This low will kind of retrograde or move back to the west over the next 48 hours. And as it does, it's going to eat away at this ridge. Not much of an impact for our sensible weather here in Alabama, but just slowly eating away at that ridge. Here comes our next trough, too, coming in over the northern plains. And as it moves into the Midwest, that will also hopefully begin to break down this pattern. This is next Saturday, a week from now. You can see the look is a lot different. We'll also begin to look back off to the southeast, because that's where we'll be watching for this next tropical wave. Here it is showing up on the satellite photographs this morning, showing up near the Cape Verde Islands there off the coast of Africa. The Hurricane Center really not giving it much of a chance of development until it gets into this region right here. And then as it does, they put it at about a 40% chance. What will be interesting to see, if we see the development of an over-the-top high-pressure system right here, it looks like it might push the potential tropical storm or hurricane, which would become Gabrielle, into this region right here, north of the leewards, but possibly push it just off the east coast of the United States, recurving it to the north and out to sea, just where we would like it to go as we continue with a relatively quiet Atlantic hurricane season. Your 7-day forecast for North Alabama. We keep those very low rain chances in the forecast, almost zero every day, just a small chance of a shower each day. Temperatures will be near 90. Overnight lows will be in the middle 60s. And for South Alabama, we're going to see just about the same thing. Very consistent readings across the state, consistent pops, also those probabilities of precipitation. Highs in South Alabama will be near 90, overnight lows in the middle 60s. That's your look at Alabama's weather on this Saturday here on the Alabama Weather Network.